My name is Natalia.
My name is Victoria.
My name is Valeria.
And if you guys haven't already, please subscribe
And like.
and share. And we just want to say thank you guys so much for your support and we appreciate it. Today,
We're going to be
doing 5
simple
Valentine's Day crafts. Are you guys ready? Wait until the end to see our final looks. Now, let's go ahead and get started.
Hi guys, today I'm going to be making a ninja one. It wants a large one. So, one green heart, one black marker, 2 googly eyes, and 1 small rectangles, and 1 large rectangle. And we also have a glue stick. So, first what I'm going to do is make this part. So first, I'm going to be doing this part. So I'm going to be gluing it right here. But I'm going to stick it on and 2 googly eyes. But first, so I'm going to glue it now. I glued the 2 googly eyes. If you guys can see it, googly. Okay, now I'm going to add the second googly eye. Guys, let's count the eyes. 1, 2. There's 2 googly eyes. Now what I'm also going to be doing is add 2 small rectangles. But first, I'm going to be cutting this part right here. So, I'm going to go get my scissors. So first, let me just glue the other eye because it won't stick anymore. Here. So, there. And you guys can participate with me. And now I'm going to cut this part. So I'm going to cut this part. Okay, there and there. See? Now I did it. So now we are going to be adding these 2 mini things. Okay, 2 small rectangles. So right now I'm going to stick them on my glue stick. Yay, we did the mini thing. So now I'm going to be gluing the thing right there and be adding it right to the back. But not in, but right really far. That's how we make the Ninja Turtle. But first we have to add the smiley, the smile. So right now I'm going to add the smile. So now I did this one. You guys see it? Bye guys!
Hi friends, today I'm going to be doing a heart-shaped bee and this is going to be my finished product. The materials that I'm going to be using is a glue stick. I'm going to be using 12 hearts in totals. Some are big, some are medium, and some are small. We're also going to be using 2 small black little rectangles, 2 circles for the bows, 2 eyes, and 1 marker. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to be doing is grabbing our black heart and putting some glue on it with our glue stick. You don't want to put too much, but you want to put it in a center. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab the yellow heart because we're going to make a like yellow and black pattern. So we're going to put that right there where you're still able to see the black. We're going to put more glue on it to make the pattern. We're going to keep on putting the hearts. And we're also going to be putting the yellow heart again. Put the glue on. Uh-oh, the glue fell. Okay, so now that we're done with this part of it, I think I'm gonna get started with the wings. And we have 2 pink wings, and they're heart-shaped and they're pretty big. We're gonna turn our bee around from the back like we did right here. We're gonna put a little circle of glue right there so it shows as for the wings that we're having to use. So as you see, you put it right there, not too far in, but not too far out. We're gonna do the exact same thing, but with the other pink heart. Same thing, it doesn't really matter what way you're gonna do it, because it's pretty much the same thing. Now we're gonna be using this mini white heart. We're also gonna be putting it right there, so it shows for that part of the heart. It came off a little bit, so we're gonna fix that. And it's fine if you guys make a mistake. Everybody makes mistakes. We're gonna do the exact same thing with the white heart again. Okay, now we're done with that white heart. Now, we're going to put on these little black antennas and they are rectangles. Can you guys say that with me? Rectangles. We're gonna put it on top near the head, like right here. And that's where we're gonna put both of them. We're gonna do the same thing to the other one. Oh no. Okay, now we're done with that little antennas. The next thing we're gonna be doing is the bows. So for the bows, we're gonna have to put them together just like that. Put some glue on the edge of it, but don't put it too far in either. That's what the bow is gonna look like for now. Now we're gonna add the little red circle to it. Put that right there in the middle with the glue. And this is our first bow. Now you're gonna put it with the antennas. You're gonna put some glue right close to the antenna and right next to the bee head. Right there. Same process with the other little one. Okay, we're gonna keep on putting glue on it. In the center, same thing. Put it right there. Make sure they're not too inside and with the hearts, but make sure they're also not too outside where they're gonna show very, very off. Like this. Same thing. Oops, I dropped my glue. We're gonna do the same thing and put it right there. So far we did the two bows and almost everything. Now we gotta do the eyes and the smile. For the eyes, I'm gonna put it on my glue stick and rub it on. The eyes, I'm gonna put them near the center of the face, but not too close to the center. One is left and one is right. When you keep on doing that, you can either put it on the eye or on the bead. Now we're done with that part. Now we're gonna add the smiley face. Now we're all done with our bee. Okay, so the craft that we're going to be doing right now is a Heart Monster Valentine's Day craft. Let's go ahead and get started. So the materials we'll be using today is any color construction paper that you guys want. These are already pre-cut. Okay, so we're going to be using one large shaped heart, the color green. Also, we'll be using two little shaped heart for the eyes. We'll also be needing little white triangles or any color you guys want for the teeth. We'll be also using these little scales. They're kind of triangles, but they could be any way you want, curved or straight. We'll be also using kind of like this little, for the tongue, acting like the tongue, and this is a pink, kind of like a tongue, it's just like little curvy, it's kind of like the top part of a heart. This is also, we'll be using kind of like a half oval for the mouth, black. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So we're not going to be using the heart like this. We're going to kind of like tilt it like this for the monster. So the first thing we're going to be adding is I'm going to go ahead and put the tongue to my black half. Oval, we're also going to be using some Elmer's glue, so we're going to go ahead, not too much, but also not too little because we want to make sure it sticks. So let's go ahead and put it on there. Now we're going to be using, I'm going to also be putting the little teeth. You could put any color or any, we'll just be needing triangles, but not all. You can use a few and any color. I'm going to go ahead, put some, and we're going to be putting the teeth not outside like fangs. We're going to be putting them inside. So just like that. Last heart, right there. So now we're done with the mouth. It doesn't look perfect, but that's okay. The next thing we're going to be doing is we're actually going to be putting, before we put the mouth, we're going to go ahead and put the scales. We're going to be doing the scales like this, or you can do them any way you want. We're going to turn it and going like that, and we have 5 little scales, nice and ready. Now we're going to go ahead and put the mouth. We're going to kind of put the mouth right there. We're going to go ahead, put some glue right behind it. Then we're going to put the mouth. You could do it crooked, you could do it straight, doesn't matter. And now we're going to be using these small bright red hearts, and we're going to put them as the eyes because Valentine's Day. And we're going to be so excited. Oh my goodness. Do you guys already see? We are done with our little Valentine's heart monster. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. So today we're going to be making a tic-tac-toe heart like you see here. Ooh, it's awesome because you don't always have to use it for Valentine's Day. You can use it for any time. And the best part is you don't even need any glue. It's really simple. And in total, there are 14 hearts. You want to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 hearts. And there are 7 of each color.
Yep, and you can do any color you guys want.
All right, let's go ahead. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is grabbing our marker and doing the lines you see here.
But first, you're gonna need a large heart. Only one.
It doesn't really matter what color you need. So first, we're going to do one big line.
2.
You also need another one.
3.
And 4.
You just need a total of 4 lines. And now you're basically done. But we're gonna play a quick little game. Okay, I'm gonna be purple. I'll be yellow. I'll be in the middle.
Okay, I'll be over here.
Right there.
I'll be here.
Boop. Oh no! I got the wrong color. And this is so much fun, so you can play with your friends or your family.
Oh, okay.
Oh, Victoria won! Good job!
Thank
you.
you.
Show good sportsmanship. Now to the next one. Okay, so right now we're gonna be making a super cute strawberry heart craft. So the things you'll be needing today is a large red heart, only one. We're gonna need a rectangular curvy shape for the stem, 3 kind of medium-sized hearts, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 small white hearts, glue, and then a marker, and 2 googly eyes. You could use construction paper, and they're a circle. Oops! And they're a circle. Let's go ahead and get started. So now we have this, and we're gonna go ahead and just put blue right there, and we're just gonna go there, and then we're gonna make a straight line just like that, so we can put our 2 hearts just like that, intersecting. Now we're gonna go ahead and do this little rectangular stem, and we're gonna go to the back, and we're just gonna do a small little dab of glue, and then on the edge, doesn't matter what side, you're just gonna place it on there, just like that. Now we have the stem of our strawberry. Now we're gonna go ahead and put our little googly eye circle, and we're just gonna put them right there. Now we're just gonna put some right there. Whoop. Googly eyes. And now we're gonna put it right there. Awesome. Now we're gonna be using these small little hearts, and we're just gonna use it kind of like the seeds of the strawberry, but they're little hearts instead. And they're so cute because they're so small. And remember guys, you don't have to be using the exact same colors we are using. You could be doing any color you guys want. And now we're gonna put one more little heart right there. And then we can't forget about the smile. Now we're gonna do a super cute little smile. And now we have an easy strawberry heart. Thank you guys so much for watching.